Hello, today I will show you how to delete your Instagram account. Deleting your Instagram account is easy. Keep in mind that once you delete your account, this action can't be undone. All your photos and account history, including followers, likes and comments, will be permanently removed and you won't be able to sign up using the same username if you ever create another account. Unfortunately, you can't delete your account from the Instagram application. You can do this from a desktop or mobile web browser. Go to the Instagram website and log into your account using your username and password. There is a page called Delete Your Account, but you won't find it by clicking around. You must know the exact link. You can find the link that you need in description of this video. From the drop-down menu at the top of the screen, choose your reason for deleting your account. Once you've chosen your reason for deleting, you'll be asked to re-enter your password. Do so, and then click the blue Delete button. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, please subscribe and leave us a comment.